Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is Amelia. Popeye's at the house because he's not allowed at this park. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Know your eyes, they're not playing tricks on you. This is the truck from yesterday, the HBX Rampage and a bunch of numbers. This little guy, we kind of wrote it off very quickly for a couple reasons, to be honest. So if it was cold out, a lot of things were going on. But we, in case you guys haven't met us, we are not robots. We are human beings, and we do
office drones. We are office drones.
Office reference. We make mistakes and gobs of them, and sometimes on camera, and they get through our videos, and you see them. We totally overlook the fact that this truck has a high-low mode.
You gotta work on your low. You got higher when you said low.
High-low mode.
That's better.
Okay. All right. Some of you guys have this and said it was amazing. One other thing that we overlooked is the fact that, yeah, this was about $80 on Amazon, but we're going to have a link in the description box below where it's less than half the price. So that's awesome. So, yeah, it's fully proportional. Yes, it's fully proportional throttle. And we wrote it off because we said for 80 bucks, it's definitely not worth it for how slow it was going. And we're going to drive it around a little bit more in the fast mode and see how it does on the ramp and just bashing it around. I think that we're going to be a little more impressed. So we thought it deserved a second video. We thought you guys deserved...
I mean, yesterday I said if it's under $50, it would probably be worth it.
Yes.
And I didn't know it had the switch.
I mean, it's usually up here what you have is steering reverse and throttle reverse. So we thought that's what it was. We just didn't pay any attention. But here we go. Let's have some fun with it. I'm going to drive it today in the fast mode. So
don't break the truck.
I probably will because I brought the ramp too. It is definitely a lot faster, but I want to show you guys the difference too before I go bashing this a lot and getting the battery low. So here we go. Let's go slow mode, which is what we drove it on all day yesterday. There's full speed on slow mode. You can see why we were a little bit disappointed for almost $100 truck. And then there's full speed ahead on fast mode. A noticeable difference, so I do like that.
Still want to know how the top speed is 30 miles per hour and 30 kilometers an hour.
Now, someone mentioned it could be 30 miles an hour scale, so that's a possibility. Like scale look, it could be going 30 miles. Yeah, that's a thing. Some people make that a thing.
It didn't say that.
Now this is a, oh wow, I ramped over. Did you see that? That was amazing. This is a, oh wow, this is a, oh wow, this is a, oh wow. I ramped over the, now it's very lightweight, so it slides around everywhere. Ooh, that was fun. Nice. I do like this now a lot more, knowing that we can get it for half the price. And that it has a high-low mode. And we're riding wheelies sometimes. Look at that. I think Abby, you would like this more. I think you should give it a shot. Here you go. Okay, Abby's at the controls. Let's do this. Now on that loose gravel, you'll notice it just cannot get its traction going. Yeah. Look at those. Look at those donuts.
This is better.
Better, right?
Yes.
So it was, we thought $80 with that low mode. Thanks to you guys, we realize less than half the price, or about half the price, depending on sales.
We can always count on our viewers to let us know when we're wrong.
always, yes. Very cool. I like this. This is nice. You want to hit the ramp a couple times? Very cool. This was just meant to be a short and sweet update video for you guys to let you know that, yeah, sometimes we're wrong, and if we are not afraid of jumping in front of the camera to say, hey, we were wrong or we overlooked something. And this is a big thanks to you guys, our viewers, letting us know. First and foremost, we know that it has a fast switch, so that's a big difference. Thank you guys for that. Can't believe we missed that. And secondly, the price. We'll have it linked in the description box below. It's a much better price, and I do think this is a lot of fun, especially for that asking price. 4-wheel drive, 2 different speeds, and the high speed is very fun. Actually, you can, oh, that was a really good ramp. I wish I was recording that. You can actually put a bigger battery in there too. It doesn't have to be that small. It's like a 660 milliamp battery. One more ramp for him, Abby. Oh, your last one was so good.
Didn't I do that yesterday?
Missed it?
Yeah.
A couple times. There it is. Okay. No, we'll end on that note. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.